What's going on YouTube? Today I have a Samsung Galaxy Mega, as you can see. Just powering on the device now. Um, this is a model I527 on AT&T. As you can see, I'm not affiliated with AT&T, so I'm not advertising for them. You could have a different carrier. This should work. This should actually work for almost any Samsung Galaxy out there that has a volume up, power button, or not the power, a home button and a power button. Now, as you can see, this phone is password protected. If you don't know the passwords, you're locked out. There's no chance of you getting in without the password. It could also be a phrase, it could also be a pattern or a swipe or whatever the case may be, and you just simply don't know it. Now, there is a way to get this off or to clean it up, wipe it off, and that's to perform a hard reset. Some of you guys out there call it a factory reset, which would restore it to factory settings when you first receive it. Now, before you begin, I just want to advise you guys, if you had your email account on here and you have this device or your information backed up to your device, you should be safe. You should have all your information backed up. Whenever you set the device up again, you will be prompted to add your email and password. Just simply add those, and once you get to the menu, everything should start downloading and have your device back to normal in no time. Now, if you don't, or those of you guys out there that don't have any email account on here, I would say your information would be lost. There's no way to recover any of that if it wasn't previously backed up. Now, if you're okay with that, let's begin. What you want to do first is power off the device. And once it's powered off, you will hold volume up, home button, and the power button at the same time. As you can see, I'm trying to get in a view. Once it's off, hold it, and you can see on the top, once you see the blue line or the recovery settings, blue, come up on the top left-hand corner, you should be in recovery mode. Just let go of those buttons. As you can see, you get a option that says wipe data factory reset. You gotta navigate using the volume down or up key to go either down or up. Once you get to the wipe data and factory reset, you gotta press the power button to confirm. Once you confirm, you would also come to this next screen where you gotta scroll all the way down or navigate all the way down to where it says yes, delete all users. Now, once you press power button for OK to confirm, you should see all this come up while it's formatting the device itself. Once it's formatted, once everything's wiped and good to go, you will then, where it says Reboot System Now, it should automatically be highlighted and bring you back to the screen. And if it doesn't, just navigate till you get there and push power to confirm again. Once you've confirmed, the system should be rebooting and restarting to bring you back to the welcome screen. Now, once you get to the welcome screen, just set it up if you want to. If not, you don't necessarily have to set it up. But your device should not be password free, and you should be able to get to the menu screen. Now, if you found this video helpful, guys, please be sure to like and subscribe, as I'm trying to build my base, so that way I can bring more videos to you guys and help you guys out. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.